Welcome back, children, to lesson number 10 of your EVS subject, Nation's Pride. Today, in this chapter, we will learn National Bravery Awards for Children by Government of India for children up to 16 years of age. The National Bravery Awards are a set of awards given annually to about 25 Indian children below 16 years of age for meritorious acts of bravery against all odds. Children, that means they have made their life in danger and saved lives of many people or did bravery against all odds. The awards are given by the Government of India and the Indian Council for Child Welfare. This award was instituted in 1957. Now children, how these awards were started? On Gandhi Jayanti in 1957, Jawaharlal Nehru was watching a performance in Delhi's Ram Leela ground at the Red Fort. During the performance, a short circuit caused a fire to break out at the venue. Harish Chandra Mehra, a 14-year-old scout, took out his knife and ripped open the burning tent, saving the lives of hundreds of trapped people. This incident inspired Pandit Nehru to establish an award to honor brave children from all over the country. The awards are generally announced on 14th November, Children's Day, or in January following the year, and later presented by the Prime Minister on the eve of Republic Day, and prior to this, the President hosts a reception in their honor where children meet the media. On 26 January, the awardees take part in parade at Rajpath in New Delhi. Children, 4 more awards are categorized under National Bravery Award, that is Sanjay Chopra and Geeta Chopra Award, which was started in 1978, Bharat Award, which was started in 1987, and Bapu Gaya Dhani Award from 1988. Sanjay Chopra Award and Geeta Chopra Award were established in 1978 in memory of 2 Chopra children who lost their lives while confronting their kidnappers. Kirti Chakra was awarded to the children on 5th April 1981. The Sanjay and Geeta Awards are given to a boy and a girl for acts of bravery. In 1978, ICCW instituted 2 bravery awards for children under the age of 16. The Sanjay Chopra Award and the Geeta Chopra Award given each year along with the National Bravery Award. The Bharat Award was established in 1987. Bapu Gaya Dhani Award was started in 1988. In Nasik, there was a big fire to a 2-storied house. 2 kids were trapped in the fire. A man from the crowd evacuated all people and safely brought them outside. He saved those children too. Half burned, that man went to cow's shed and saved those cows. By saving cows, he lived up to his name, Gaya Dhani. He was severely burned and died in the hospital. The street in which the incident took place was named after him. Bapu Gaya Dhani Award was started as National Bravery Award in 1988. So children, this was all about these awards. We will meet in my next video with some more concepts. Till then, stay connected. Bye-bye.